Surjakanya is an excellent representation of feminine energy in this world. It shows how the women became subservient to men through the eyes of Surjakanya. The sculpture made by the artist Lenin symbolizes the status of females in society without freedom. Love is a powerful force which turned the sculpture into a beautiful girl, Surjakanya. Every girl in the world needs to be cared for, loved and respected. Once the female receive affection, respect and status, they can be as beautiful as the Surjakanya in the story. The female is incomplete without the love from the male in the society. The female cherishes that love. Without the love from the male in the society, the female is like a sculpture, a showpiece without a heart. The love of the artist made the sculpture alive. Thus Surjakanya said, ভালোবাসা মানুষকে জীবন দিতে পারে. It was like a dream, more than a dream, for the artist Lenin. Surjakanya is a reflection of all the feminine energy in disguise. The artist Lenin was curious to know about Surjakanya and their conversation was philosophical, symbolic and romantic. Surjakanya expresses the downfall of females in the society with the passage of time. The creation of this universe comprises both male and female energy. Both these energies need to unite together to make a stable society. Male-dominated society made the women subservient to men. As a result, centuries after centuries, women are deprived of freedom, respect and status in the society. She expresses this imprisonment of female through her words. তারপর দেখতে দেখতে কি জানি হয়ে গেল, যাদেরকে অন্তরের ভালোবাসা, শরীরের প্রতি অনুপরমাণু দিয়ে তিল তিল করে সৃষ্টি করলাম, হৃদয়ে দিলাম স্পন্দন, মুখে দিলাম ভাষা, তারাই একদিন রূপ নিল ভয়ঙ্কর রাখল। সূর্যকন্যাকে তারা বন্দি করে রাখল কালের অন্ধকারে। In these metaphorical sentences, Surjakanya presents how the perception of men has changed over the course of time. Over the centuries, the women have become slaves. Society is so overpowered by male dominance that women are considered as an instrument of sex fulfillment and childbirth. Surjakanya is a reflection of all the girls in the world as a whole. Just as the artist love made the sculpture alive, similarly love and affection from the male can give freedom to the women in the society. Surjakanya in her sculpture form represents the imprisonment of women in the society. The love of the artist made her alive in the story. This metaphorical story represents the need of females to be loved and cared for. Love and affection towards women empowers women. Above materialistic desires such as sex, beauty, and money, the artist Lenin valued love and feminine energy. As a result, he could explore the beauty of the feminine energy through Surjakanya. So the artist said, কোথাও তোমার নাম ছিল লাবণ্য, কোথাও ভেনাস, কোথাও আবার তানিয়া. The artist's commitment to feminine energy rewards him at the end of the story. The love of his life came to him for marriage as the form of Surjakanya. Unlike Lenin, Lenin's friend Russell has a different perception towards females. The parallel story of Lenin's friend Russell is a representation of how a male-dominating society views women in general. In spite of having money, wealth and all fulfilling things, Russell lacked feminine energy in his life. Capitalism changes perception of people. As a result, Russell valued money more than love in his life. Russell had an affair with his employee Monica but refused to marry her. Russell refused to marry Monica and said টাকার জন্য ভেবো না, in response to marrying her and giving her recognition as his wife in the society. This shows that Russell viewed women as an object of sex even though Monica's love for him was genuine. Russell didn't care for Monica's emotion and love that she has to offer him. Even though Lenin and Russell were friends, their perspective towards women are different. Russell in disguise is a symbolic representation of males in the society whose perception of female is only for sex gratification. On the other hand, Lenin values females and doesn't think of them as commodities. These two characters are a reflection of the difference in perception of male towards females in our society. However, in the end, Russell realized that he could not survive without love in his life and he requires female energy. At length, Russell realizes that wealth alone could not give him true happiness, even in a capitalist society where he has the power to do anything he wants. Finally, Russell marries Monica and the artist meets Suryakonda, his dream girl, in person for marriage. This story is universal and timeless. Every woman is unique and is a masterpiece of God. Through the eyes of Suryakonda, we experience that deep within us. We require the touch of feminine energy in our life as a mother, daughter, wife, and sister. Women are the real architects of the society. Just as it is impossible for a bird to fly on one wing, it is impossible for a society to function properly without